Lakshmi Vashya Mantra, Lakshmi Vashikaran Mantra. Chanting or listening to this regularly is supposed to remove all debts, loans, financial problems, difficulties in your life. It is supposed to solve and give also prosperity and wealth to you. Mahalakshmi Vashya Mantra, Mahalakshmi Vashikaran Mantra. Shreem Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Shreem Swaha 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 Shreem Kamale Kamalalaye Prasida Prasida Shreem Swaha. 11 times chant it with faith every day. All your financial problems, loans, debts will get solved, and prosperity and wealth will start coming into your life. Shri Matre Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.